Do you feel like there are not enough hours in the day? Today, we're going to tackle that feeling head-on, exploring 4 common habits you might not even realize are eating up your precious time. These subtle culprits, when removed, could potentially gift you over 20 hours back into your week. Think about it, 20 more hours to spend on what truly matters to you. Can you imagine what you could do with an extra 20 hours a week? Let's dive in. The first habit to kick to the curb is unnecessary multitasking. Now, we've all been there, juggling multiple tasks at the same time, thinking we're being super productive. But here's the thing. Research has shown that multitasking can actually reduce productivity by as much as 40%. Shocking, right? Multitasking forces your brain to constantly switch gears, draining your mental energy and causing unnecessary stress. It's like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle. Sure, it might look impressive, but sooner or later you're going to get burned. Instead, focusing on one task at a time allows your brain to fully engage with what you're doing. You'll find that you can complete tasks more quickly and to a higher standard. It's all about quality over quantity. So try to eliminate unnecessary multitasking from your routine. Embrace the power of single tasking. Remember, your mind isn't designed to handle multiple tasks at once, so single tasking is the way forward. The second habit that needs to go is procrastination. It's that sneaky little thief that creeps into our lives, stealing precious moments and turning them into hours of wasted time. Procrastination, my friends, is a master of disguise, often hiding behind seemingly innocent phrases like "I'll do it later" or "I'm just not in the mood right now." But let's call it what it is, a productivity killer. So, how do we outsmart this cunning adversary? It's simple, really. The first step is to break your tasks into smaller, manageable parts. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. The second step is to set clear, achievable deadlines for yourself. This creates a sense of urgency that can help you stay focused and motivated. Remember, every minute spent procrastinating is a minute lost forever. Procrastination may seem tempting, but it's a big time waster, so take action now. Habit number 3 is excessive social media usage. An average person can spend an astounding 2 hours and 22 minutes scrolling through social media each day. That's over 16 hours a week. This habit is an easy way to fall into a time sink, especially when it becomes a form of procrastination. But let's be realistic, completely cutting out social media may not be feasible. It's a way we connect, share, and learn. So what's the solution? Setting designated times for social media usage. This could be an hour in the morning or at night, or even just a few minutes here and there throughout the day. The key is to stick to these designated times and avoid mindless scrolling in between. It's all about balance. By setting boundaries, you're not only saving precious time, but also improving your overall focus and productivity. So it's time to put down the phone and reclaim your time. The final habit to eliminate is skipping breaks. Now you might think, hey, powering through my work without a pause makes me more productive. But let's debunk that myth right here, right now. Taking regular breaks is not just refreshing, it's essential for your overall productivity. It's like letting your brain catch its breath after a sprint. When you skip breaks, you're pushing your brain to its limits. And when anything is pushed to its limits, it's bound to crash and burn. That's burnout for you folks. Without breaks, your efficiency decreases, your creativity dwindles, and your overall output suffers. You might be working more hours, but you're getting less done. It's a classic case of more is less. So take that coffee break, stretch, look out the window, let your brain wander for a bit, because a rested mind is a productive mind. Remember, breaks aren't a waste of time, they're a tool for productivity. Now that we've identified these time-wasting habits, it's your turn to act. Imagine the hours you could regain by eliminating unnecessary multitasking, procrastination, excessive social media usage, and skipping breaks from your life. Picture a day filled with productivity and ample free time for relaxation. Visualize it, believe it, and make it happen. Begin today, take the first step, and experience the transformation. Give it a try and see how much time you can save. You might surprise yourself. Until next time.